What's up, everybody? So going over my trades for today, Wednesday the 8th. Took a few trades today and closed out one, opened another swinger. Start here with Google. And this one was a break-even trade. Entered in for a call right here on this 5-minute candle. Exited up here. It only gained about a penny in the contract from here to here. It's about a 20-cent move, 30 cents. So IV was just terrible on it. Didn't get anything going, so I went ahead and cut it up here. Then it just went sideways the rest of the day. Next one, Intel. Similar trade as far as the timing goes. So I entered this one here on this 5-minute candle, and I was looking for a put on it. I ended up exiting here when we started to push through. So we started to come back up with a little bit of volume increase, so I went ahead and exited. Intel options are pretty cheap, so this one was a 19% loss on the trade, but it was still only $7. So I gave that one a little bit more wiggle room than I normally would. Next trade on Zoom Info here. I took a put here on this 5-minute candle as we broke underneath this range right here. So took it as we crossed the line and ended up selling on this candle because the overall market was kind of putting in a similar setup right here around the same time frame, and I just wanted to take my win safely and not be stuck in a reversal. So this one was a 25% win from here to here. IV was not high. It seemed to just be standard as far as not being affected today. And then we got Lucid. So yesterday I closed Lucid, took my profits on it, and I was waiting for a re-entry point, and I got it this morning. I was waiting for it to spike up, and thankfully it came here. Stock squeezed this morning, and I entered it right in this area here, covered calls. So I'm back in the covered calls on Lucid, and stock played out greatly in my favor today. As a close, they're already up 40%. Then lastly today, Silvergate. Finally closed this one. We were getting a little close to the $16 execution point on it, and it closes Friday, expires Friday. So I just wanted to go ahead and take my profits and not worry about it potentially executing on me, because I don't want to own any shares of Silvergate. But this morning, price on those contracts were about 45 cents up here, and when I closed this afternoon, even though the stock had dropped, I'd gotten out at 30 cents a contract. So pretty good deal the way this IV just drained off of it, and worked in my favor, even though the stock price didn't work in my favor. So glad to be out of it. Any more ticks on it, I might look to re-enter for another covered put, but otherwise I think I might be done with Silvergate. The options are getting really cheap on it, and I don't like going up a potential stock when the option pricing isn't really worth it. Anyway, that's what I got. Thanks.